Now they are up to 60 trash carts per hour being cleaned instead of 4 per man. So it's a huge difference in production speed, tremendous reduction of labor, fuel, and water. And through the processing, this titanium trailer package actually has a 17-stage wastewater filtration and recycling system. It can actually reuse the wastewater multiple times in order to keep contractors cleaning. That's really, really critical when it comes to a mobile cleaning contractor. And obviously the speed is tremendous because at 9 gallon a minute, like other systems that may take 10 or 12, 15 minutes just to clean one of these cans, which can go through 50, 60 gallons of water, this system demonstrates that you can clean these cans for roughly around a gallon or two of water. So definitely conserve water. But in normal cases, when you're doing door-to-door cleaning, curbside cleaning we call it, that's when really every ounce matters. So you really want to have a high efficient cleaning system and something that can actually not blow through half a tank of water at one or two houses. And because it is highly filtered wastewater at the end, you're talking about water that is filtered down from garbage, diapers, kitty litter, oil, grease, yard waste, potato chip bags, pizza boxes, you name it, it's all in these cans. By being able to filter the wastewater that goes out from the trash bins into our 17-stage filtration system, it's an extremely cost-effective way of doing it. We've had some companies go up to 5 weeks before they needed to replace a set of filters, but it also allows you to have options for disposing your wastewater. We can help you with the entire package, training, equipment, truck and trailer wrap, brochures, logo design. We also include a 100-page marketing and contractor training guidebook that I wrote. This is Dan Swede. I have over 33 years in the industry. I helped over 1,000 clients start their businesses, and I'm able to actually help you along with other experts that we have in order to establish and get you into the trash cart cleaning business. This is also a multitasking high-speed pressure cleaning system. If you look at the top right-hand corner of your screen, you'll be able to see us pressure cleaning a paver driveway in Central Florida at 200 square feet a minute. That is 50 linear square feet per minute, cleaning 48 inches wide at a time. This is absolutely record-breaking speed, even for the pressure washing professionals in the industry. Dumpster and compactor cleaning with this, because this actually can recycle the wastewater from up to 100 feet away from the trailer. We do have truck-mounted versions, and you're able to recover, filter, recycle, and reuse the water. Every waste company and sanitation department out there is an environmental company that actually have high standards when it comes to allowing their trash carts to be cleaned and dumpsters to be clean. So caution is needed when it comes to cleaning the interior, exterior, or the dumpster pads or dumpster corrals. We have the entire package that can help you achieve those goals. That are not street legal. You should not be running a trash bin cleaning truck or trailer that actually utilizes the trash bin hopper. That's what we're cleaning these trash carts over, as a wastewater holding tank. We do not use ours as a wastewater holding tank. We actually use it as a solid separation tank. For more information, you can get a hold of the experts here at Trash Bin Cleaners Direct, 616-250-4039. You can go to our website if you're not already there at trashbincleanersdirect.com. That's trashbincleanersdirect.com. You can email us at trashbincleanersdirect@gmail.com. So trashbincleanersdirect@gmail.com. We can help you with the entire package: training, equipment, truck and trailer wrap, brochures, logo design.